Welcome to Beautyistic, where today we're exploring a product that promises to make your nail game easier than ever. No glue, no mess, just flawless nails in minutes. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to get a chic manicure without stepping foot into a salon, the Kiss imPRESS No Glue Mani Press-On Nails in the Fearless design might be exactly what you need. With a natural, light neutral base and a classic white tip French design, these press-on nails offer a medium almond shape that's trendy yet sophisticated. So let's dive into the details and see how these stack up. The Kiss imPRESS No Glue Mani Press-On Nails are designed for those who crave a flawless, long-lasting manicure without the hassle of glue or salon appointments. What sets these nails apart is their improved adhesive, which promises to keep your nails securely in place for up to 10 days. You simply peel, press, and go. No experience required. The kit includes everything you need to get started: 30 press-on nails, a mini nail file, a prep pad, a manicure stick, and an instruction sheet. It's literally an all-in-one DIY mani kit. In terms of application, the Kiss imPRESS nails couldn't be easier to use. The instructions are straightforward, and the prep pad ensures that your nails are clean and ready for the adhesive. Once you press the nails onto your natural nails, you're good to go. I found that the adhesive worked incredibly well, and I didn't have any issues with lifting or shifting, even after several days of wear. The almond shape fits comfortably on my nails and doesn't feel too bulky, which I appreciated. The gel nails look super natural, and the seamless polished French tip design gave off that salon-quality finish without any of the hassle. As for performance, I tested these nails under different conditions to see if they lived up to their long-lasting claims. I wore them during daily activities, typing, cleaning, and even a few outdoor errands, and they held up incredibly well. The adhesive didn't budge, and the nails stayed secure for the full 10 days. There's a slight learning curve when it comes to getting the perfect fit for each nail, but once you've got the hang of it, the process is smooth and fast. Now, let's take a look at the pros and cons of the Kiss imPRESS No Glue Mani Press-On Nails. Pros: easy application. The nails are incredibly easy to apply, and the kit includes everything you need for a professional-looking manicure at home. Long-lasting. Thanks to the improved adhesive, these nails stay put for up to 10 days, which is impressive for press-ons. Comfortable fit. The almond shape is flattering and comfortable with a natural look and feel. No glue. If you're someone who hates the mess of glue, these press-on nails are a game changer. Variety of designs. With the French tip design and other color options available, you have plenty of choices to match your personal style. Cons: perfect fit takes time. It can take a minute to figure out which nails fit best, especially if you're new to press-ons. Adhesive sensitivity. While I had no issues, some users may find that their nails don't adhere as well, depending on skin type or nail prep. When it comes to value for money, I think the Kiss imPRESS press-on nails are a solid investment, especially if you're someone who wants to achieve salon-quality nails without spending time or money at the salon. For the price, you're getting a complete, long-lasting manicure solution that can be done from the comfort of your own home. The adhesive is strong, the nails last a good amount of time, and the overall experience is hassle-free. If you're someone who prefers gel nails but doesn't want the commitment of a full-on salon visit, this product definitely gives you the same polished look without the fuss. That said, if you're looking for something budget-friendly and similar, brands like Broadway Nails also offer press-on nails with similar designs and adhesive technology, though they might not last quite as long as the Kiss ones. The build quality of the product is solid. The nails themselves are durable and flexible enough to feel comfortable, but firm enough to avoid bending or breaking easily. The packaging is simple and organized, with all the necessary tools included. I can see this being a convenient option for quick manicures, whether for everyday wear or special occasions. Customer support wasn't something I had to test personally, but Kiss has a good reputation for being responsive to customer inquiries and issues. Plus, their products are readily available in major retailers, so finding support or replacements should be relatively easy. Now, I don't have any updates to report on this product at the moment, But if you're someone who follows Kiss products, it's worth keeping an eye on future updates that might further enhance the adhesive or expand the nail styles. If you're hesitant about the price or simply looking for a more budget-friendly option, there are alternatives available. However, based on my testing, I think the Kiss imPRESS press-on nails justify their price with the quality, ease of use, and longevity they offer. So, to sum up, the Kiss imPRESS No Glue Mani Press-On Nails are a fantastic choice for anyone looking to achieve a stylish, long-lasting French manicure without the fuss. They offer a seamless, salon-quality look with no glue and last up to 10 days. If you're in the market for press-ons, this product should definitely be on your radar. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. If you've used these press-on nails, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts and whether they lived up to the hype for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.